What's up, guys? It's Nova Studios. I'm Slade.
I'm DJ Landon.
And today we are playing Roblox BloxBurg.
Yep.
And sorry for the noises in the background, guys. I have trees cutting down in my backyard, and Landon's got his annoying sister. So sorry about the noises.
Yep.
So today and yesterday I know I said I'd want to post a video today, but I just love uploading videos. I can't resist. Literally,
Yeah.
I can't.
He can't really.
For real, I can't. Help me, guys. Help me. So today we're making a booth in the movie theater,
And
like for popcorn.
yeah.
So
And also, did you even tell them that we have a movie theater?
yeah, I said in the last video.
But if you haven't seen that video, we have a movie theater.
Yeah, we do. And if you saw the mansion like tour, you'd seen that this was one big room. Now it's 4 rooms, 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, 1 movie theater. So.
Is it a problem that I can't find a movie theater room?
It's where we can't say him or her's name. Room was. Okay.
I'm still trying to find the movie theater. What floor is it on?
The floor is your bedroom. Ah, this is gonna be tight. I guess we just have to make it wide. Oh no.
I'm still trying to find the movie theater.
We have a problem. We have a problem, guys. We have a problem. So,
Problem.
we may need to get rid of some of these chairs.
That's okay. Just make it down to 1 layer. We don't need 2.
Okay, how about I move? Yeah, we only need 1. How about I get rid of some of the chairs on the side? I'll do that. Right there. No, not 2. And then we put some chairs behind there.
Still trying to find it.
You seriously cannot find it, Lan.
I cannot find it, no.
This is sad. This is actually sad, Lan.
I'm just trying to find it, okay? Come on. I'm just trying to find it, okay? I'm still just trying to find it.
Lennon, this is just sad. Okay, I'm telling you, this is sad.
If I was on iPad, it would be easier.
You just said if you were on iPad.
Oh, well, I'm on iPad, so it's hard. Okay, go to the room.
Yay! Finally!
Oh, it took me long enough. Oh, I lost it again.
Wow.
Just kidding.
Okay, we need to put some.
No,
Okay, Lennon, you see where each row has like tables and remotes on each side? Can you put those tables and remotes on each side of the last row? I'm gonna start on the booth.
on the last row?
Like you know where how every row has tables on the end
Yeah.
and remotes? Do that. I'm gonna do it. Okay. I'm checking. Walls. Let's start on this.
Where is it?
That's good. Don't you think, Planet? Don't you think, Planet? Isn't that good?
Yeah. Delete that. I can't delete it, remember?
Can't? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, for some reason, my iPad's glitched. So I can't. Is it? Okay, I think I just found it.
Okay. Windows. This is Windows. Wrong category.
I got it.
Well, you got it. You got it. I don't think you do, Lennon.
I do.
Look how you placed them. Look at that.
I don't care.
I'll place them right. Wait. Delete that remote. Oh wait.
There we go. That's wrong. You have to move the remote.
Get rid of it.
Remember what? That's wrong.
Can't.
I think did we build the booth already?
I built the booth. Put the remotes back, Lennon.
You do it.
I'm building the booth.
I'll do it. I'll go do it. I'll do it.
Okay, counters.
I did it.
Yay. No, I'll just place them later. I'm just gonna place them later.
Did you build the booth yet?
Yes, you not see the booth.
I don't see it, no. Oh, wait.
Isn't that big?
Oh, wait.
Is that too
It
big?
was so big that I didn't notice. I thought that was something else.
Wow.
Okay. Hey, I've got an idea. Oh wait, never mind, that won't work.
Oh, won't work.
I was thinking that we could make like we put a window, like but there's like, if you go right past the wall there, it's outside. I was thinking that we could do like a window and then like the what you call it, the projector room.
Should I put a cash register right there? Why are you putting another remote right there, Lennon?
I didn't mean to. There. Now we just need the movie screen.
We have a movie screen.
We just need the
Popcorn machine.
yeah, popcorn machine.
Why am I going to lighting?
I think a fridge would be good.
We got the beverage fridge.
Oh, we got it in there, okay. And then
Popcorn machine.
oh, I know, a stove.
You don't need a stove. You want to put a stove in there, I'm guessing?
You can do it. Go, 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 go.
I'm just gonna leave the ice cream out. And
You can have the stove.
oh, I guess if I want a full stove, like to cook everything, I guess I have to get rid of one of those actual stoves. So
It's gonna cost $4,000, dude.
do you think I care? Like, no.
I've only spent $2,000.
I spent $4,000 on one thing. Oh, this is a sad one.
I'm cheap.
And then let's put a should we do
I know,
that?
a cash register.
No. Should we put that? Or should we do what is that? Oh no.
I'm gonna do a cash register.
No, don't. We don't need cash register.
You have one in your inventory though. What are you gonna use it on?
No, I don't. No, I don't. What are you talking about?
Yeah, in
I think that's
the inventory.
No, I don't.
I just saw you place it.
Whoa! Why'd you put that there?
But I put what where?
I saw you put that cash register in the middle of the wall.
I don't where'd it go? It's not in our inventory anymore.
It's in my inventory.
But I can look in your inventory.
Should I put party pillows? No. Wait, can I put one right there? No. Oh, yeah, but I can put that one thing. Okay, that looks cool. Doesn't that? Doesn't that look cool?
This also looks cool.
Awesome. A floating cash register looks cool. Fine, we can put the cash register.
I don't know where to put it. It doesn't go on properly.
I got somewhere to put. It's like inside though. It's okay.
I want to customize my room a little bit now that I know we have these in our that we have this in our inventory.
What?
Customize my room a bit.
I don't know. You already got the special kitty photo postal.
Nope, I want the thingamabobber.
What?
Thingamabobber.
Okay, let's check out the movie theater. Get a bit more quick before the video ends by itself. Come on, get out.
Give me a second.
We're going.
Okay, I'm exiting milk mode. Okay.
Okay, come on, let's go. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for you.
Dude, I'm past you.
What do you mean? Okay, so this is booth. We got a party pillow right here. Can't squeeze through there though. Popcorn machine, espresso machine, stove, mini fridge, beverage fridge, and that's pretty much all. So hope you guys liked the video. Subscribe, leave a like, push the notification bell, and we'll see you next one. Bye, guys.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Peace out.